How would you like to lose weight and keep it off without having surgery? Dr. Swarnjit Singh and Dr. Brendan Levy from Gastrotim Center, they are here to tell us about a non-invasive temporary weight loss procedure that uses balloons. This sounds so fascinating, gentlemen. First of all, thank you for joining us. You're on Sonora Living.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So, Dr. Singh, the procedure is called ReShape. Is that correct? And,
right.
Okay, first of all, tell us exactly what it is, and then tell us who's a good candidate for this.
Yeah. ReShape is a new kind of a balloon which has two balloons tied together to one with a shaft. It's a new procedure because in the United States we've just started using it over a year period.
Okay.
It's an excellent alternative to surgery which changes the anatomy. Here it is a temporary space-occupying thing in the stomach,
okay,
and then it can be removed, and so there are no permanent changes. A good candidate would be, as you know, a basic metabolic index of between 30 and 40, a BMI.
Okay.
That's a ratio of height to weight, which we used to calculate, but you could be outside those limits also. If you had a major surgery on your upper stomach, that would be a contraindication to the procedure. And there are a few small other contraindications. But apart from that, anybody who wants to lose 30 to 40 pounds of weight, don't want to have surgery, and maybe more, it would be a good candidate for this procedure.
Okay, which is why a consultation is very important, I'm sure.
Absolutely.
So, Dr. Levy, tell us how the procedure works and what is included in the ReShape program.
Sure. The procedure is very safe and it's very quick. It's a 10-minute endoscopy, so a camera down into the stomach.
We're watching it right now.
Right, and then we pass the uninflated balloons into the stomach at the same time, and then we inflate the balloons with just normal water.
Wow.
And you can see the two balloons there, and they stay there for 6 months, and we take them out with the same procedure, a 10-minute sedated procedure.
That is amazing. So I'm imagining the idea is that you're feeling full all the time.
Yeah,
right?
it does decrease the function of the stomach, so it gives you that fullness sensation.
Okay, all right. So let's talk about results. That's what everybody wants to know.
Yeah.
What type of results can patients expect from this? We have some before and afters of a couple of patients, and the results are pretty remarkable.
Yeah, we're seeing between 25 and 50 pounds of weight loss on the average.
Really?
But
within that 6-month time frame?
Right, within that 6 months. But it can be more than that, too. And it's kind of patient dependent also on how good they are with their program too.
Right.
But,
it takes two, right?
Yeah, it does.
You and the patient, you all need to be on the same page. Dr. Singh, what makes Gastrotim's program different and unique than other programs out there?
Terry, as you know, obesity doesn't have one glove fit all things.
Right.
Some people are very, very motivated, and all they need is a simple balloon to lose that extra 30 to 40 pounds, and they're on their way. But what we find is that most patients need extra help. They do not have an insight into why they're eating, how they're eating, and what makes this, obesity such an epidemic in the United States. So we delve into, and people who are eligible for it or they want that kind of a help, we work with a psychologist trying to understand some of the phenomena like binge eating, stress eating, like, if you are comfort eating. And that's what we are trying to attack so that the effects are permanent.
So it's not just here, it's up here as well. That's the other services that you provide.
Absolutely.
Gentlemen, thank you very much for being here today. Fascinating information. I want to tell you about a special offer that we have for you. Mention Sonoran Living and eligible patients will receive $300 off the ReShape program. Here's that number to call, 480-757-8000. And you can learn more off the website. It's gastrotrim.com.